Well, these teacups are made by Royal Albert in the very characteristic Montrose shape, as you can see, made with 1969 first quality Royal Albert China marks. There we go. Pattern name is Celebration. We don't have teacup saucers for these, and we do want to draw to your attention the used condition of these. They're moderately worn around the rims. These have burnished gilt rims, and this should be a lot brighter than this in real cabinet condition ones, and you can see on here that they've been used quite heavily. We've also got on the handles some evidence of some gilt wear where the thumb rest is as well. Apart from that, they're in very bright condition, but we do want to make buyers aware that these are not in absolute brightest condition. They have got this moderate degree of wear. All of them are very similar in the degree of wear that they show, with some gilt loss and wear over the handle support knobs. 4 of them available, all in a similar used vintage condition. We don't have the saucers for these. They came in a mixed lot from auction with some Royal Albert that we were buying. These have obviously at some time been used very heavily and separated from their saucers, but they may be of interest to people that have a similarly worn Celebration collection that has got some damage, or they've broken some teacups and just wanting to replace them to match their equally worn saucers. So they will be cheap, not expensive. We've got 4. They're for sale individual to that market, and we'll try and pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website listing where these teacups are on sale now. Thanks for watching.